People often say Finland is the happiest country in the world. I thought that was just another statistic until I experienced a Finnish summer. I didn't fly to Finland to travel. I flew here to solve a business problem. An international consulting challenge hosted by the University of Vaasa and X Culture. We had presentations to prepare, clients to impress, deadlines to meet. And then I visited Finland beyond working hours. If Finland has a hidden gem, I think it's Vaasa. It isn't loud, it isn't crowded, it doesn't demand your attention. It simply lets you breathe. We came from 26 different countries, different cultures, different professions, different ways of thinking. On paper, those differences could have made collaboration difficult. Instead, they became our biggest strength. On our final day in Vaasa, we visited the old ruins of Vaasa. It was a quiet place, almost as if history had decided to slow down. We spent the afternoon sharing food, stories, reflecting on everything we had experienced this week.
It's a nice place.
We all just came out and we all hugged each other.
As far as all 5 members are presenting, I think that's good. I hanged out with my team a lot. I think it was a great experience from team dynamics perspective.
So we started like life is too short for boring strategies. So we also named it the chicken nugget framework. The price of chicken and the price of corn will move in a very similar fashion.
But I'm glad it happened.
Impromptu plans are the best ones.
Yeah, you have to meet 23 people
Every day.
every day.
We talked about the business challenges we had solved, but somewhere between the conversations it became clear that we'd taken home much more than a consulting project. We'd built friendships that stretched across continents. From Finland, we crossed the Baltic Sea to Estonia. Just a ferry ride away, yet it feels like stepping into another century. Tallinn is one of those cities where every street tells a different story. Medieval walls, stone pathways, hidden cafes stacked between centuries-old buildings.
Very hungry to eat something.
But यहाँ का local कुछ खाना है.
हाँ, local we will try. एस्टोनिया का क्या local है, but in restaurant only हमें जाना पड़ेगा तभी पता चलेगा.
Squares, lot of people, lot of restaurants, bustling.
But this is less crowded and like carts and all that will go.
Yeah, this is where the vibe comes
Vibe is
from.
there.
If someone told me Game of Thrones had been filmed here, I probably would have believed them. On our way back, Finland gave us one final surprise. The sunset over the Baltic Sea. There was no rush, no music, just everyone quietly watching the sky change colors. Close to violet on a Sunday, nearly made it into bloom. But I know, oh, the ordinary Monday turning back to blue. Long for what's to come. We spent an entire day exploring Suomenlinna. Every pathway seemed to lead somewhere unexpected. Old stone walls, hidden corners, and this porch.
Like right now we are in the Suomenlinna fort और यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी area है. It takes about 20 minutes from Helsinki. Thousands of people just walking, doing practically whatever they want. Let's do it. जैसे अपना जलज भाई दाल चावल खा रहे हैं. दाल चावल खाने में उतना मज़ा नहीं है, but अगर आपको एक ऐसी जगह मिले.
दाल चावल नहीं, जलज भाई पालक पनीर खा रहे हैं फिनलैंड में आके.
पालक पनीर, I mean,
और ये जिंदगी का मजा है.
हेलो.
ओह, यहाँ पे
Hi.
स्पैरो भी है.
इनको इधर क्या खाना मिलता होगा?
घास में छोटे छोटे कीड़े मिल जाते हैं.
Did the moment even make it past the room?
Every journey has its final sunset. Ours came on the shores of Helsinki. I arrived in Finland for an international consulting challenge. I left with new friends, new perspectives, and memories that had very little to do with meeting rooms.
Long for what's to come. Keep forgetting how to make it known.
Maybe happiness isn't something you find in a place. Maybe it's found in the people you meet, the conversation you never expected, and the moments you never planned. That's what Finland became for me. Not just the happiest country in the world, but the happiest trip I have ever taken.
Before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room?